Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Suhail Ahmed and today I am going to describe how to add port in router in Cisco Packet Tracer. But still, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon so you can get notification of every new video. Sometimes we need more than two interface, but here in router 2811 we have only two interface, fast Ethernet 00 and fast Ethernet 01. So then what should we do? Here first we draw the scenario so you can understand easily, and then take 3 switch also, and now connect the router with switch. So click on the connection cable, now here you can see that this router has only two port, but we need the third port to establish the connection with this switch. If we connect this router with switch, then you can see that the notification the cable cannot be connected to that port. So it means we don't have the third port to establish the connection with this switch. So now what should we do? Click on the router and then go to physical. Now here you can see that many port, you can select anyone as you need. Let's take few ports from here. If you need fast Ethernet port, then click on NM2FE2W, drag and drop here. So, but before that, cannot add a module when the power is on. So click here to power off the router. So now add this NM2FE2W here and then go to config. Okay, device, then power on the router and then go to config. And now the device is still booting. Wait few seconds. Okay, so now here you can see that fast Ethernet 00, fast Ethernet 01, and then fast Ethernet 10, and then fast Ethernet 11. Now we have 4 port here. Similarly, you can add another port like this one. Okay, again power off the router. Again power off the router and then go to config. Device is still booting. And now here you can see that the serial port. Close this. Now you can add the connection with router and switch. So click here and then click here, and if you click here and then again click the router, you can select the port fast Ethernet or serial, fast Ethernet 10. So in this way you can add the port in any router. Hope you understand that how to add the port in router. If you like my video, kindly like the video and also share with your friends and subscribe my channel to get notification of every new video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.